This short video will show you how to create a hyperlink action button in PowerPoint. First you go to Start and open Microsoft PowerPoint. Go to Insert, Shapes, scroll down till you see the action buttons, click on one of them and click on the slide. This automatically comes up. Press the little arrow and select URL and type in the website that you want to go to when you select the action button, and that's it, and you're done. So hopefully when we start the slide and press the action button, it should take us to Google. Yeah, and that's how to create an action button.